Alright guys, so we're at the rotary motor. Like always, I try to give you the best seat in the house, but we'll see how this works. So here, I'm going to use these buffing wheels with some green and red compound, green rouge, red rouge, soft bristle brushes, like these, and get this job finished so we can diamond cut it. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. Leather from a leather belt, piece of leather. I forgot to say that after bringing it from the lapidary motor with the black rouge, before starting with other compounds or other any color rouges, you got to put it into ultrasonic and steam it. Make sure you get all that other one off first, and then from the green to the red, it's not like a particular or recommended how do you say, order to go with these rouges. It's just what I have, what I use. I'm gonna steam it after I polish it a little bit with this one and finish it off with this one. To me, this one gives the best shine. So just so you guys know. We want to polish down here on the bottom, not up here. Don't ever, if you're new to this, don't polish sideways like this. Long ways like that is your best bet. Kind of just go with it. Don't fight it. Let it do what it does, the motor. See, it'll push you away depending on the curve. Make sure you wear glasses or you have some kind of plastic shield or something protecting your face, because if it grips it, this thing will fly. I don't have glass bulbs on here. These are made out of plastic. If it grabs it and flings it around, if I had glass right there, it would break it. It could go in my eye, shatter and go in my eye, you know. Don't need that again. But yeah, man, you guys be careful, be safe. Also, sometimes wearing gloves with these motors is not a good idea. You could have a string loose and this damn thing can grip it, pick it up, snap your finger, man. Snap your hand, snap your wrist. You know, you gotta be careful. Safety first. Have I not mentioned it? Don't try this at home. any names that I polish, I always go in circles to avoid having lines where like in between the letters or even like in the A, you keep going in one direction, lines are going to draw little, how do you say, dents or dings in your letters. So always go in a circle like this. That'll guarantee that there's an even polish all around. You know what's funny? It might look weird, but it works. And once you can go the other way. These aren't the best compounds to start off polishing with or whatever. Like I said, it's all I got right now. What I'm using. Later on, we will do it the right and proper way. That's why I was hesitant to do videos for that reason. I don't have all the stuff I need to make a proper tutorial video, but hey, you guys want to see how it's done, and there you go. That's how I do it. With or without certain things, the job gets done. There you go, guys. The next process, or the next step, is basically with the red rouge. Same everything, just with the red rouge. So after this, we're gonna go to diamond cut. Let's do it. Let's get this shit done.